Welcome to another tasty adventure with me, my friend. Amazing, thanks God.